Welcome to Reactome's homepage, where you can begin your search through Reactome's database with ease. When searching for a biological macromolecule like MYC protein, it appears in Reactome in a variety of different categories, like species, types or compartments. Reactome annotates human biochemical entities but can project reactions and pathways to non-human species through orthoinference. You can filter your results using the sidebar checkboxes. You can click on any of the results to go to a detailed page. For example, we can click on this one and see all the information about this protein. Each page has a locations in the pathway browser section that you can expand to reveal pathways that involve the MYC protein. By clicking on a pathway of interest, we'll go to the pathway browser. If you want to know more about our pathway browser, you can watch our previous video, where we show you how to navigate Reactome pathway diagrams. In the meantime, let's go back to our search results. Reactome cross-references various external sources for biological and chemical information. For example, we use UniProt accession numbers as primary reference identifiers, ChEBI for small molecules, NCBI taxonomy IDs for species, and gene ontology terms for catalytic molecular functions, cellular compartments and biological processes. The Reactome main search is your primary tool for finding proteins, reactions, and pathways. If you can't find what you need, fill out the form or send us an email at help@reactome.org to contact the Reactome help desk. Now you're ready to make the most of Reactome's main search functionality. So, go ahead, explore, and uncover the secrets of the biological world. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour, and be sure to check out our other videos.